Hi friends, today I'm making some Guyanese cassava balls. Firstly, I'm gonna put my eggs to boil in some hot water. And I'm gonna make some green seasoning while the egg is boiling. To make the green seasoning, I'm going to use some Guyanese thick leaf thyme, basil, parsley, celery, garlic, and some hot peppers. I am going to blend these up to make a paste. So I'm putting in all the seasoning to get them finely chopped. So to make the cassava ball and egg ball, I'm going to use some cassava, some onions, garlic, and pepper. I'm cutting my cassava up into small pieces to put them to boil. I've put some water to hot, so I'm putting in the cassava to boil now with a pinch of salt. So I'm going to boil my cassava until it's tender. So I'll mash it now to make sure there's no lump inside. Then I'm going to add my seasonings. Here are the seasonings that I'm going to use. Some garlic, green seasoning, pepper, onion, some salt and black pepper. I'm going to mix this with my hands to make sure there's no lump in the cassava. I'm gonna use the egg and fold the cassava mixture around the egg to make it into a ball. So this is how I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna make sure that there's no crack. It has to be smooth, or else when you fry it, it's gonna fall apart. So now that I have formed the egg balls and the cassava ball, I'm just gonna put them down to rest and get my oil hot. While the oil is hotting, I'm gonna make a paste to roll the cassava ball in. So this is some flour and some turmeric and a pinch of salt. So I'm just gonna mix it to make a batter. So while I'm doing that, I'm making some tamarind sour here. So the oil is hot, so I'm gonna grab the cassava egg ball and roll it into the mixture that I've made, and I'm gonna fry it. This would help it not to loosen up, and it's gonna fry more evenly. And too much oil is not gonna soak into the cassava. So I have 3 egg balls and 2 cassava balls frying in there. So I'm gonna fry them until they're golden brown. Now that it's golden brown, I'm gonna take it out and put it in some paper towel to take off some of the oil. So here is my finished product: egg ball, cassava ball, and the tamarind sour. Enjoy. Try making it if you can. It's easy. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.